everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am here with another PR haul. Thank you so much, first of all, to all of the brands who have sent me anything. I've been a little tardy in getting this stuff up, but I'm so excited to be filming this for you today. If you're excited for a PR haul, give this video a thumbs up, consider subscribing to my channel. Would love to have you be part of the squad. Let's go ahead and get into it. So the very first thing, it's not really beauty related, but I'm just gonna mention it because I don't do a PR haul on my other channel, but I wanna say a thank you to the Shure team. They sent me over this microphone because I will be using this for season 2 of my podcast, and so I'm very excited to be coming back with the mic of my dreams. I'm so excited because I know the sound is going to be phenomenal. So thank you so much to Shure for sending this over. In the description box down below, I will put a link to everything today that I mentioned. So if you're interested in anything, you want to go check it out, go ahead and look down below for links. But thank you so much to the Shure team for sending this over. I could not be more grateful. Thank you so much. Now, a couple things that I just purchased on my own, not PR, but I still wanted to share them with you. I don't know if I have been living under a rock, and I've always heard about the RCMA No Color Powder, so I just picked that up. But also, I didn't know that they really made foundations. They have this huge foundation palette, but when I was doing some research on the colors, I wanted to try something smaller so I could make sure that it works really well. And then 2, if I like it, then I can buy a bigger palette. But this is one of the ways that I chose to go, and this is one of the quads of their foundation. And I went with this one. I think this is going to be the best color match for me. These have a lot of pigment in them, and they have a lot less of the junk and fillers that a lot of other foundations have. So you need very little to have really great coverage. So I'm really excited about this one. I picked the 4-part kit in the A series because in the KA and KO series because I thought this would best fit my skin tone. So I will report back. I'm really excited to try this one out. And I also, like I said, picked up the RCMA No Color Powder because I didn't realize people were suggesting to use that one because of the fact that any other powders that you have, if they have any color of them, they can modify the color underneath. So I wanted to get one that has no color, and I know a lot of people really like it for baking. I don't bake a lot because I have dry skin, but they really love that powder, so I decided to give it a shot. The next thing that I purchased was from Wander Beauty. One, I picked up another of their eyebrow pencil, which I really, really love. But I also picked up this kit, and it's the Weekender Essentials. And so it had a few products in there that I was really wanting to try, including the Extra Mileage Hair Refresher. And this is also really, really cool. This is the Glowing Ahead, the Facial Illuminator. So you can mix this in with moisturizer, whatever, underneath your skin. And especially if you have like matte foundation or anything like that that you're wearing, this will still allow a lot of that beauty underneath to kind of like shine through, and so it almost can transform that matte foundation into more of like a satin or a more skin-like finish. So I kind of like that about this because sometimes I like the coverage of those matte foundations, but I don't always like how matte they are considering that I have dry skin, so adding a little bit of this underneath can really, really help. So this I really liked. And then the last thing, it also came with like these little hair barrettes, which I've been wearing. The only gripe on that is I wish they matched because they're 2 different ones. So one's a gold one, one's like a pink tortoise one. But I wish they were 2 of the same, like 2 golds or 2 pink, but that's not that big a deal. And then the last is this lip retreat. This I really liked. It's kind of like a lip gloss that's infused with a little bit of oil to make your lips a little healthier. And so this one's in Skinny Dip, which is like a nude. And they have a couple other colors that I really want to try out. That's kind of like a berry or strawberry pink color. So this I thought was really cool. And you got this whole set and they were on sale. So I picked this up from Wander Beauty and I really, really have been enjoying it. And then I have always really enjoyed their eyebrow pencil. I think it's really, really good. So I picked up another of that in the black brown color. It's over on my vanity already. And then going back into some of the PR stuff. So first of all, I want to say thank you so much to Ave NYC. They sent me this awesome package with 2 of my very favorite. I don't know why it took me so long to get onto this, and I was introduced to it last year. And I'd already had it for a couple of months sitting on my shelf, and then I started using it. I was like, why has this been on my shelf? But this is the Therapy Session Hair Mask. Now this is very comparable, I think, to like the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair. So it's like in the tub. And by the way, this tub is huge. It's a good, how many ounces is? Almost 17 ounces on this. And the price is way cheaper than Briogeo. And I think it does pretty much the same darn thing, and it smells so good. So I go in right now with Wen, and then, 1 or 2 of the Wen rinses, and then once or twice a week, I will go in with the hair therapy mask and I'll just let it sit for a few minutes and then rinse it out. And like I said before, when I use the Briogeo one, it just makes your hair feel like heavy, conditioned, like, ugh, and it smells so good. So I think if you're someone who has really wanted to try it, but you're afraid of the price tag of the Briogeo one, this is such a good one to give a shot to. I love this one so much. And then they also sent over the Queen glitter spray. So if it's New Year's Eve or you're going out someplace and you just want your hair to have like sparkle and dimension just for the night, this stuff is awesome. And it just lightly sprays and then your hair catches in the light and you get all of this beautiful glitter. Ugh, I love this so much. And so I was really excited to see that they have temporary spray-in hair color. And I was like, oh, dang, that's awesome. So once before, when I was younger, I tried to do fire engine red highlights in my hair. What a disaster, because it only lasted for... Anyways, I digress. This is so cool because you spray it in and then literally wash it out. But you get to have these cool colors. So I'm so excited to try this. So thank you so much to Ava NYC for sending this over. Skylar, you're amazing. Appreciate you. All right, next up, the team from Rimmel. Thank you so much. I was really surprised when I got this package because I was like, oh, wow. They sent me like some really cool items. So first up, this is a lip gloss that I've received once before, and it's actually kind of cool because I actually really love this color, but now I can share it with you guys, so I will toss this one in a giveaway for someone, and this is the 125 Down to Gloss, and this is a Stay Glossy. It's just a great gloss. I really like this one. This is the Lasting Finish 1000 Kisses Stay On Lip Contouring Pencil in like a really great red color, and then they matched it with this 520 Red, so it's like this really pretty... like blood red color. I love this one. And the really cool thing about these lipsticks is they're kind of curved to fit the curve of your lip. So I love that about this. And they're really comfortable and they're not too drying at all. So love that. And then this is the Wonder Luxe Volume Mascara. And I've never tried this one, so I'm really excited to give this one a shot. And this one is infused with like oils. And I wondered if one of them was like castor oil or anything like that to help your lashes grow. I think they have it in like the Grande mascara, but I'm really excited to see that. And then there were a couple of these jewel colored like eyeshadow palettes. Now I have to say, one thing that I love about these is that they have the clear front and they're so thin, so these are really easy to travel with. I just love that. And this one kind of gives me like the subculture vibes a little bit with like these mustard greens, which are kind of my jam. Like I like the greens and the mustards and the gold together. So this half I'm really excited to like really play with because I think this is a pretty combo. And then this one, these have these like rosy tones and this blue as well. So I'm really excited for this palette. I think this one is going to be really cool. This one is not exactly up my alley, so I think I'll toss it in a giveaway, but just beautiful all together. They have, may have to rethink what I just said because it has this blue and this purple in it. This is, I have to think about that. Actually, maybe I would use this because this half is really more, okay, I'm gonna have to take back my words on that. The more that I look at this palette, the more excited I am to really see it. So this is the Magnify Eye Wow Edition. So I will actually give this a shot and try it and report back. So thank you so much to Rimmel for sending these over. Really excited to try them. Appreciate you guys. Oh, and the last thing, it came out of the box, but I didn't mention it. This is the Maxi Blush, which I didn't know that they even had. You know, the product that I knew most from them, they have a foundation, and then they also have the lasting, like the powder. And so, like Stay Matte powder, and I used to use that like all the time. So I'm excited to be seeing more of their products. And this is like a blush that has more of like a luminescence in it. And I swatched it once and it has like a little bit of glitter in it, which isn't always my favorite, but it's so pretty that I might have to make an exception for it. So this is 001 Third Base, and it gives like this lovely flush of color. And so I'm really excited to give this a shot. And I love how compact the packaging is as well. And I love that they have the clear front so you can see exactly what you're getting into, because sometimes when you're into some packages and compacts, you have to open it to understand the color. And I don't like that because I want to see. All right, so the next package is from Pixi. So Pixi, thank you so much. They make my absolute favorite favorite toner, and that is the Glow Tonic. You've seen it in my empties. I always take it when I travel. I mean, I love it so much, and it has a little bit of like glycolic acid, which helps in actually helping your skin cell turnover, and is kind of an exfoliant. So I happen to think it is a wonderful toner. Love it so much. So they have totally stocked me up on another year's worth of the Glow Tonic, and this is just so special because they actually put my name on it, and just the fact that like whoever is doing that, they have to spend so much time putting all of this on there. So thank you so much to Pixie. And then they actually have these tiny ones on the side that are awesome for travel or to gift to a friend. So I think I probably will gift one to a friend. In fact, I once sent some to my friend Linda, who is Glitter Fallout, because I wanted her to try Glow Tonic, and I think it's that special. So yeah, share it with a friend. Maybe I will. Next up, I want to say thank you so much to Benefit. I was hooked up with Benefit through Ipsy as like a one-time thing where they were saying, do you guys want to try some stuff? And I'm like, oh my God, yes. I've been in love with Benefit products for so long, like Dallas, Hoola, so many of like the blushes and everything, like Dandelion. I have the the Cheerleader Cheek-a-thon palettes. Like I've been using Benefit for so long. Their Roller Lash mascara is one of my favorites. They have just some really awesome products. So when they had this opportunity, I was hoping and praying that I would get something. And when it showed up at my door, I was so unbelievably like happy. So it's kind of a surreal moment to actually get this, but so excited. So this is the Bad Girl Bang Mascara. This is not one that I've tried yet. I've heard good things, so I'm excited to try this one out. And then this one's open because I used it and I really like it. This is the Precisely My Brow, and the nice thing about this is they have the Precisely My Brow and then they have the Goof Proof one, but the Precisely is so much better, I think, in my opinion, because it has that tiny little front edge to get those precise hair strokes at the front. So this is my favorite of their brow product pencils. Yeah, I think I'm gonna say that. I really like this one. It's best for imitating those hair strokes, and I'm actually using it today. And this is their Gimme Brow, which this stuff is really good. I like this because if you don't have a lot of brow hair, like I don't have any at all, this at least still makes it look like you have some and kind of amplifies what you already have. So this is a nice combination to have with other products. And for those of you out there who are blessed with great brows, you can kind of put this in and not have to do the rest. I think this is such a good product. Oh, they have a brow setter. And so this, I'm really excited to try this because the only other one, I don't think I've tried theirs. I've tried the one from Anastasia and the one from Cella. So I'm excited to try the Benefit one because Benefit knows brows. So I'm definitely excited to give that a shot. This is Professional. I've used this for so many years. Totally love it. It's always in like their holiday gift sets. And I think it's for a reason because it's so popular and so well loved. So I'm excited to see that. Oh, okay. This is the Goof Proof one. This is the one I was saying. It's kind of more like the brow definer from Anastasia, where it's like that thicker wedge, which can be great for like from here on out on the brow because it makes it really fast, and you can just kind of fill in a thicker line. But then I like the Precisely in the front, or like the Wander Beauty one, like in the front, because that's where like mine is kind of bald, so I really want to try and make it look like hair strokes. So I use like a definer on the end and then the Precisely on the front end of the brow. So that's kind of like my combo. I'm high maintenance, but I'm really excited to get another one of this. Oh yes, this is the Roller Lash, which is my favorite mascara from Benefit. It's kind of wet, but it's good. It's so good. If you haven't tried this one yet, I would highly recommend giving this one a shot. And I don't know if you guys have noticed, but my ponytail went from like up here to like hair is falling out and it's now down here. If you've been here since the beginning and it was up, give this video a thumbs up. It's trying, it's hanging on, barely. And then the last two items that are here from the Benefit package, this is Hoola and this is Cookie. Now Cookie, I think everyone has heard of because Jaclyn Hill was raving about this. Originally it was only in one of those like Cheek-a-thon palettes, and then they released it by its own. And I'm so excited because once I heard her talking about it, I really wanted to try it out. So I'm so like ecstatic to see it. I cannot wait to try this one out. And then Hoola is just a classic. Hoola is awesome. It's a little more cool toned and not completely warm, so you can still kind of chisel out with it. I love this bronzer. and I'm so excited to have another one of this. So thank you so much to Benefit. I appreciate this. This is amazing. Thank you so much. This made me feel so special. The last boxes are from the same company, but it was 2 different mailings, so I want to say thank you so much to them. And this is from Derma E. So the very first one was this cute little travel bag, and then it actually had a face oil in here, and I love their face oils. I have one, there's like a rosemary one. I have one that has like a little bit of shimmer in it. They make some really great stuff. Clean beauty, you know, no phthalates, no, like nothing in there that's bad. And so this is the Derma E Anti-Wrinkle Treatment Oil. I am so excited for this. And so this has rosehip and grapeseed oil, vitamins A and E. So I also happen to love their vitamin C like concentrate. I'm wearing that today, and their and their day cream with the hyaluronic acid in the blue bottle. I am totally wearing that today. And so this is the, this is the hydrating night cream, which I took with me to Thailand, and that was really, really great. So being in the sun, all that good stuff. This never irritated my skin, gave me total like moisture overnight. So I took this with me on my trip to Thailand, and like I'm really excited to have another one of it. Oh, this is the vitamin C concentrated serum. I love this stuff. I took this, I'm wearing it today. And what's really funny is I think when you kind of like spray it out, I think it reminds me of the smell of like Fruit Loops when you open up the package and you just kind of inhale that smell. It's kind of a sweet, fruity scent. I really like it, but that's what it reminds me of. And then this is the Purifying Daily Detox Scrub. They make some of the best. They have one with activated charcoal that is like so great, and I always use that one if I'm having any like skin flare-ups, and it just calms my skin down. I really like that one. So this I'm really excited to see as well. And then I think there was one other thing. Yeah, there was. There's a tiny little mirror in here, which I think these are super duper cute. So thank you so much to Derma E for this package. I totally appreciate it. Cannot wait to try this. The others are items that I'm already using and in travel size. So for my next trip, it'll be awesome. Because my next trip will probably not be as long as I was in Thailand. So with the Thailand trip, I was like, I am not giving up my skincare regime. So I actually just brought full-size things with me and then put them in my check, like my checked luggage, because I was like, I'm not giving up my stuff for 2 weeks. So this will be great for those trips that are much shorter where I just have carry-on luggage. So thank you so much. And then they sent me one other package, and this was really, really cool. This was New Year, New You, and this was actually talking about Blue Light Shield Concentrated Serum and like spray. So blue light sometimes is going to be stuff from like electronics and just daily usage, you know, your screens. So I was really excited to see this, and I thought, what an innovative product to try. So I will totally give this one a shot and let you guys know how I feel about it. And like I said, they are all about ethical beauty, so they're cruelty-free, they're vegan, gluten-free, soy-free. It comes from recyclable, you know, packaging, and it has wind energy certificates from how they make their products. So Derma E, if you guys haven't tried their stuff, I know you can get it like Whole Foods, you can get it on their website, you can get it at Ulta, and I would highly, highly encourage you guys to check out their stuff. They make some really great products. All right, that is everything that I received in this PR haul. Thank you so much if you made it through this far of the video. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below what you thought was the coolest product of all. And as always, I'll see you in a video very soon. Bye, guys.